Hello, welcome to Bright Mathematical Solutions. We are looking at the theory part of the 2023 NABTEB examination, and we are at question 4b, and the question says, when twice a certain number z is subtracted from 7, the result is at least 16. Write an equation to represent the statement. Solve the inequality. Given that z is an integer, what is the greatest possible value of z which satisfies the inequality? Now, the first thing is for us to represent this expression in form of a question. Now, let us go back to the question. It said, when twice a certain number z, that means twice a certain number z, the number is z. So twice the certain number z is subtracted from 7. That means 7 minus 2z. So the result is at least 16. That means it can be more than 16. So the result is greater than or equal to 16. So that is our answer for the Roman figure 1. Now, the question now says, Roman figure 2, solve the inequality. So that will now become 7 minus 2z greater than or equal to 16. So let us bring this to this side. Minus 2z greater than or equal to 16 minus 7 minus 2z greater than or equal to 9. So we're going to divide this expression by minus 2. So that will now become z is now less than or equal to 9 divided by minus 2. So z is now less than or equal to minus 4 1 over 2. So that is the solution. And the question has a given that z, Roman figure 3, given that z is an integer. An integer means a number. This is not an integer because it has a fraction. Now, given that z is an, what is the greatest possible value of z which satisfies the inequality? So let us approximate this, and this is 4.5. So this will give us minus 5. So for any value that is greater than 5, the equation will not be true. You can substitute minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1. You will discover that this equation will not be true. But anything that is below minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, you will discover that this equation will be true. So thank you very much, and see you next time. If you have any question, please put it in the comment section. Please remember to subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much.